You said that you give me beautiful ashes, and you pull me close to your heart. You have turned my morning to that sun, and that's what you do, and that's who you are. Brand new eyes, brand new eyes. You